Today's topic is regarding Java for mobile application. Our class is uh, string handling. String is the most commonly used class in Java class library. The first things to understand about the string is that every string you create is actually an object of type string. Even the string constants are actually the string object. For example, we have the statement system.out.println. In that we have to print some values, that is, this is string 2. The object of type string are immutable. Once a string object is created, its contents cannot be altered. If you need to change a string, you can always create a new one that contain the modifications. There are different ways to create the strings. First method is you can declare a variable for string and we can assign some values for that. For example, string str equal to abc. That means we are declaring a variable str and its values is abc. And we can use another method for that. Is first one, you have to create a data array of character type and you can give some values for that. So inside the floor bracket you can give some values, that is a b c, and using a new method for creating a string, you can pass this data array inside the string. So for example, str, we have to create a string str having the same values a, b, c, and you are passing the data array inside the string. So string str equal to new string of that data. If data array in the above example is modified after the string object str is created, and then string str remains unchanged. Then next is we have to construct the string object by passing another string object. That means, for example, string str2 equal to new string str and argument passing is str. Here we are creating a string str2 using the string str. Here the values for that str is a, b, c. That value is passing into create the new string str2. There are different operations in strings. First one is caret. The syntax for caret operation is public, and we have to give one type, that is caret, and we have to give the index. It will return the particular values at that index. Next one is get chars. The syntax for that is public void get chars, and we have to pass some values inside that is in the source begin, int source end, character destination and character destination begin. Here you have to get some characters between between the source and destination. So for example, we have a, B, C, and we want to retrieve B and C. So that time we have to mention the source is C, first position, that is the source, second position is the begin, and 1, 2 we have to mention. So it will return the characters B and C. Next operation is start with. It will give the strings with the specified prefix. For example, public boolean start with string prefix. That is that is an example for that. Here, figure, we have a statement. We have an sentence that is figure, and we want to start with the fig. So we have to use figure dot start with the, and inside this you can mention the first three alphabet FIG, and end with means it will test if this string end with specified prefix suffix. So, for example, public boolean end with the string suffix. For example, finger end with the re. So, this will return boolean values, that means true or false. Figure dot start with. Inside this, we are giving the value figure, that means it will return true. So another example is figure dot start with the RE. That means it will return the false value because figure is start with the values FIG. Same like that in figure end with RE, that also will return the value true, or if we want to get the false value, means figure dot end with, within that argument is fig. Figure is not end with value fig, so it will return a false. Next operation is compare to. So we have to compare two strings. For example, we have the syntax public int compare to, and string another string. And one more example, one more syntax is there, that is to ignore case. That means syntax for that is public int compare to ignore case string str. So we have to compare two string a, b, c and x, y, z. ABC is one string. For that we have to create a string using string str1 equal to new string str, and one more string we have to create, no, that is ABC. So sorry, XYZ, ABC and XYZ we have to create. Then we have to compare these two strings using this string method, creating method. So you have to create the string and compare. You have to compare this string, means compare using compare to or to ignore case method you can use for comparing. Next operation is index of. Public int index of and int ch and public int index of string str. These are the two methods for the index of. And string str is equal to how was your day today, and str dot index of, within that you have to mention some values, that is t. Here we are giving the value t, and str equal to, str we have to give the values, that is was. And the first str dot index of will return the index values for t. That means how h has the value 0, o has value 1, like that t has 17. So it will return the index value of the t 17. And here the string was a string, we have to find the values of was. Was is in the fifth position. So it will return that. And next operations are two lowercase and two uppercase. So we are using the syntax public string to lowercase and public string to uppercase. So we have to convert the string to uppercase, or we have to convert the string to lowercase. We are using this method. So the string is we are creating the string str equal to new string of that is ABC, that is small letter ABC. So we have to convert to uppercase using this to uppercase, that is str dot to uppercase. It will return the uppercase values of small letter ABC, that is capital A, capital B, capital C. Like that, if we have the string str, that is values are in uppercase, capital A, capital B, capital C, we have to return the values in lowercase. So we have to use string dot to lowercase. It will return small letters A, B, C. Or other examples are hello there to lowercase. It will return hello there, and we have to convert to again uppercase, means hello there dot to uppercase. Thank you for